Hello friends and welcome back to the Requisite channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asus NUC 15 Pro Mini PC with power sync and multi-display support. So friend, Asus has rolled out NUC 15 Pro and NUC 15 Pro Plus Mini PC built for tasks like training AI model, visualizing data, and handling group objects. And both models are powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor and comes with DDR5 6400 MHz memory and Intel R graphics, and the design is a compact with the Pro model using 0.48 liter chassis and the Pro Plus model uses 0.7 liter chassis, and making it easy to pop, open and upgrade components like RAM and storage without any hassle. And they also feature a spring-loaded hinge lever that simplify getting inside the device. And one handy feature is power sync, which lets you control connected monitors via HDMI CEC interface, helping to manage power more efficiently. And when it comes with Sterling connected, these mini PC have the covered Intel Wi-Fi 7 that deliver download speed up to 46 Mbps and can handle streaming for up to 16 devices at once. And the indicated Intel Wi-Fi proximity sensing take care of power management by detecting when a guru is near, automatically locking or walking the system. Certified with 5.4 support data transfer at speed up to 50 Mbps, which keep your wireless headset, keyboard, and other gadget working smoothly. And also it have ever seen pricing in yuan. Those numbers are converted to USD and you can compare them easily to matter where you are. So friend, and some model comes with built-in Intel V Pro and TPM 2.0, providing solid security measuring that protect crucial data. And this PC support up to 4K display using HDMI 2.1 into 2 and Thunderbolt 4 connection. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.